What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have another PSD haul. Shout out to PSD for showing your boy some love. Once again, ever since I started working with PSD, which I believe was like what year? Like 2023, 2022? I'm not sure. But ever since I started working with PSD, I am yet to walk into a store and buy myself a pair of underwear. Just because every time I need some, I just hit them up like, hey, I need some underwear, I need some apparel, and they just send it to me. Sometimes they don't even ask for a video, just straight love, like, hey, here you go. But today, they got us with a massive package, which I am about to unbox to you guys and show you what's in there. So stay tuned, I'm gonna try on some of these underwears. So this is what it's looking like. Make sure I don't leak my address. So I'm gonna start off with the apparel, and then we can move on to the underwear. But so this is the first item they sent me, which I believe are like some joggers. That's how they look. This is the back. It has a little PSD logo on the waistband, and it comes with pockets on both sides. And also back pockets as well too. And you'll see a little pocket on the legs actually, which I have never seen before. But yeah, next up we have, I believe, are some basketball shorts in a size large. Last time I got a medium, but I realized, it's too small, so I got a large this time. But yeah, these are pretty cool. We have a PSD hoodie. Fun fact, this is actually the, I believe, second big package I got sent. The other video I was supposed to post for you guys, I just lost the footage. I'm not even gonna hold you. I just lost the footage. I got a new laptop and everything, so I lost the footage. But hey, shout out to PSD. Yeah, we got a hoodie, a brown hoodie. Boom. Has the PSD logo in white in the middle. This is the back. It's really good quality, by the way. I'm not just saying this because they sponsor me. It's actually pretty good quality. Boom, as you can see, they sent me a shit ton of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs. Let's go crazy. Starting off with the first one, I'm just gonna show y'all like the designs and stuff. If you watch my videos, I pretty much went through what PSD is and like pretty much just going back on it. If you're an athlete, you play sports, you go to the gym, you sweat a lot, right? PSD underwears are made for you. I'll tell you why. If you sweat a lot, the last thing you wanna wear are some cotton underwear because those are gonna soak up. And long story short, that's just nasty as fuck. With these are actually made to absorb sweat. So when you sweat, nothing happens. It's like the little compression I got on right now. You know what I'm saying? So pretty much compressions, but for your underwear. But this is the first pair they sent me. These are cool as fuck with the little crosses on there. And you actually have, okay, that's dope as hell. You actually have this little silver print on there. We have a little silver snake print. That's what they call it. Boom. These are tough as hell. I don't know if you can see it. It looks kind of white, but it's actually silver. But yeah. The next ones, we have these. They call them the Winged Spirit. That's the name, in case you're looking for it. But boom. Front and the back. Next up we have these Bape looking ones. These are actually my favorite ones. Well, not of this bunch, but like the designs, like the Bape looking ones. I actually like these a lot. Guys, don't PSD got the littest designs in the underwear industry right now. I'm not tripping. Next one are these Cookies Lake underwear. That's what they call it. I'm just reading the names for you guys just in case you want to go search them up and go buy them on the website, and you don't want to look through the whole thing. But these are called Cookie Lake. That's the back. These are dope as hell. So that's the front. Next up, we got these. It says, "This is not designer." Has like the little Gucci vibe to it. It's the front, and then it says the same thing on the back. But these are dope as hell. Hold on. Okay. And on the side of it, you have this little silver print, which is dope as hell in my opinion. Boom. Alright y'all, so I'm about to try these on, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and please don't be on some weird shit. You already know what happened in the last 2 videos. Don't be on no weird shit. But anyways, love you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and also make sure to go check out PSD in the link in the description down below, and go show them some love. Alright y'all, catch y'all next video. Peace.